Good morning. It's like 6:46 in the morning, bro. Just woke up, about to go and drop my car off to get some tents, and then we're gonna get some work done today. This was my yesterday's results, 600. So let's see if we can beat that, get another 1K day. I've got a couple of those. Yeah, man, I have a bunch of things to do today. I got a mentorship call I got going on. I have a mentorship call. I got videos to record for drop shipping. I gotta set up some things for that, for an LLC, for a new business model that I'm running. And we'll talk about that another time. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the before and the after for the tints. So it's gonna be a full blacked out, two-tone blacked out for the car. Because right now, bro, like, I don't want people to see that I'm picking my nose. If I'm picking my nose, I don't want people to, like, So I decided to get tints. It's gonna be like $600, but it's whatever. This is the before right now. You can see, like, bro, you can dead ass see it through everything. This isn't as bad, but I'm still gonna black this entire thing out. And then later on, I am gonna make these blacked out as well. Pretty much it's just like a blacked out car in general. And then in the future, I may just do the entire interior. I'm not sure yet. We'll see what the future holds, as you can see. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the tent. The windshield's getting blacked out as well. This whole thing is, so I'm excited. All blacked out, all 5% in the back. I am gonna get these smoked out in January. I'm going to Jacksonville, so I can't really do that. But it is finally complete. As you can see, let me go ahead and open this. Bro, it's pretty nice, bro. Like, nice dark in the back. It's also tinted up there as well. But bro, this is insane. Can't roll the windows down, obviously, for like 5 days. At Best Buy right now, getting something for my girl. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I get. But yeah, the tint is fire, bro. All right, y'all, so I just got back from Best Buy shopping for my girl. I just got her these AirPod Maxes blacked out. I asked her actually yesterday if she wanted the blacked out or the white one. I think that's her. Yeah, that's her texting me too, talking about some hay. Anyways, yeah, so I just got that. About to head home now, get a bunch of work done. I have a call, I think around 8, so I'm gonna get into a call with one of my mentees. We're gonna talk about how to get his drop shipping store all set up. He found his product. We're gonna go ahead and set everything up for him so he can start running, like pretty much doing the organic ads on Instagram and TikTok and pretty much all the social medias. So yeah, that is it for right now. I'll see you guys when I get home. So I just got off a call with one of my mentees, and I just pretty much helped them when it comes to finding a viral and a winning niche and a winning product. So we're gonna go ahead and order that. And as soon as he gets that product, we're gonna go ahead and work on creating viral videos. One of my videos on Instagram has 60 million views. My first ever video on Instagram has 60 million views on Instagram, around 5.6 million on TikTok, and then I know for sure at least 300K on YouTube Shorts. I haven't checked YouTube Shorts in a minute, but pretty much I know how to go viral on Instagram when it comes to drop shipping products and causing that controversy and converting that into sales. So this is where I'm currently at right now. I made around $400. It usually picks up around late at night, so that's doing pretty good. All right, so it's the next day, pretty much the end of the video, but we ended up making 533 yesterday, or 532, and right now it's like 6 a.m. We already made, I think it was 108. So yeah, but that's the end of this video. I'm gonna have a lot more entertaining content. Yesterday was just like a chill day, like, because I'm a chill guy and everything like that. This guy's a chill guy too. WCat, like, bro, he's fire. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have a lot more content planned out for you guys. I just wanted to show you like a realistic day in the life of somebody making that much money a day, like $500 to $1,000 a day. So not a lot of people my age at 21 years old are making 15K to 30K a month. Damn, dude, you're like killing me right now. Damn. So that's something, like, that's got to be something. I also work full time, 40 hours. I'm in college and everything like that. So all of this, like, it's possible. Like, all of this shit that I'm doing is possible. Like, you can do this in college, you can do this in high school. I have a girlfriend, you can do this with a girlfriend. Obviously, you just have to set your own boundaries and lock in. Like, having a girlfriend is awesome, but there's also horrible women out there that will destroy your passion, bro. I'm trust me, because I've been with a few. Damn, let me get up. Yeah, so like I said, all of this shit is possible. And I know people that are making more money than me that are absolute fucking dumbasses. Like, people are younger than me, like 18, 19, and they're actually stupid. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna have a lot more content planned out for you guys and focus on that as well. And just I gotta lock in every single aspect, like with the content on my own dropshipping page, my personal brand. So we're gonna lock in. It's not gonna be a 2025 New Year's resolution. I've been locked in. And 2025 is just another year. So if you guys are waiting to start until 2025, I want to start dropshipping, I want to start making money, that's dumb, because then you're not going to stick with it. So I recommend starting today. If you see this today, you need to start today. Like, genuinely, if you need any help whatsoever, you can DM me down in the description below on my Instagram. I respond to every single DM. So any questions, any advice you need, whatever it is, I got you. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I don't even know what I'm doing today. I'm working full-time job, like I said. And I also order some things for my desk setup. So I guess you guys can see that next video. Like I said, bro, you got anything to say, Home Slice? All right, cuz, bye.